Hello guys, this is Gagan Vashik. I hope you are hearing me. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about, as we left in the previous module, how to create. In previous module we discussed about how to create a Telegram bot and display the data we wanted through JavaScript. Uh, for this module, we are going somewhat further and adding small extension like Firebase. Firebase is nothing but it usually stores data in the backend. We are adding that Firebase to our bot Telegram bot and store our data. So this was our aim. So for this, we should split into how to do and what. Let's start. I have just normally created my Telegram, but and then as you can see the code was displaying here. I just kept my API key, bot token, nothing any new and some tokens like yeah, so you can see with that. Yeah, so I have you already seen some keywords like happy, comedy, sad, drama, romantic, romance, angry, action, scared, horror, excited, adventure, bored, thriller. So these are some keywords. So you should add default to them. Some constant elements like comedy, happy. So these are also comedies. So fetch movies. So for fetching the movies, using the function of by get movies by mode constant URL we should with the help of this we are keeping a constant URL over here. Constant keywords and what keywords and all. By using the if statement, you should slice the data from 0 to 5. As we know, in slicing it doesn't nothing but starting from the first element and ending in the n minus 1. So when the slicing starts from 0, it ends at 4. So how to start our by keeping a slash start. So here I am displaying some sample data. I have created my hashtag start in the Telegram bot. So and then as you see here in this code, welcome to my mood bot. So this was the text I want to display. So I have kept the slash in interest the downline. So choose a mood. So in general, how was your mood? Your mood may be happy, your mood may be sad, your mood may be romantic, your mood may be angry, you may be scared, you may be excited, you may be bored. So as a human, we will have a lot of moods, but we should select one. So now I'm going to select happy. So is the so yeah, due to some notification it was quite low. Yeah, remove that. So here you can see after that it was started to fetch my movies. So this was the keyboard. Happy means again I said you for happy means comedy like that. So and then handle the good messages. You should convert to all lowercase, which is nothing but string lowercase. Something it converts the all characters in string to lowercase button. So yeah, so and then it usually display some fetching movies like a Midsummer Night's Sex Comedy, King of Comedy. So these were some movies I have gathered from the internet. You maybe change the movies according to your wish. Once, for example, I love the movie King of Comedy at the year 1999. So I have just clicking add to it this list. After some I have some network issue maybe, so after some time you can clearly visible here your movies was added to the wish list. So trying again. Yeah, some yeah we have got displayed there, and then you have you can see your how what was present in your wish list. So for example, so yeah, you can see the star was added to the wish list. The star indicates the wish list you can easily create and then. So for viewing the wish list, you just nothing but a slash wish list is enough to check your wish list. Wish list, yeah. It was making time and it was went. It was went. Some network issue. I think so. issues. Yeah, I have kept see, as you can see here. Let's show the practical example. Yeah, see, whenever I kept a capital W, it does not display any data. That means here in this code we have given a small w. So when I kept a small w, I got a my wish list of movies. So this indicates that the commands that you are giving to the bot must be present in your code, in your JavaScript code. But, this wish list was being displayed with the help of a Firebase. Firebase is generally used to store our data in the backend and display the data whenever we want so. So that's the see, as you can see here, this was my Firebase key.json JSON. So by using this email ID, client email ID, type, project ID, these are the Firebase I have attached to this. And then this was the package SOM for this JavaScript code, which plays one of the most crucial role, maybe some clumsy for you. Don't worry, I'm gonna explain it. So this is how this is how the data was stored. For example, I have given for you. Let's try again. I have just given this part. And again, see some network issue, but it was fixed. I am giving some memory from Mantic. Yeah. So it was going to first memories, romance and cigarettes, romance, official romance, Sudeshi romance. So these were some movies that I have basically extracted from the internet to maybe go through some movies like the Rishika. So there are a lot of movies I think you know so. And then we have to add to a best list and remind the scene. And then you should okay, always listen. Remember one more important thing. Whenever you type the command that was not presented in this, then it will remains like this. So they just kept it capital W, but in this it was not present, so not display anything. When I ever kept a small W, it was displayed this. This was the process and how to create how to attach the Firebase to this. Yeah, thank you.